A concrete sign at an apartment complex entrance reads Serena Village. The complex is gated. It consists of many separate buildings in the rough shape of a rectangle, with more buildings in the middle. Inside, the apartment has light walls and trim with light wood-inspired floors. The kitchen, dining and living areas are open plan. The kitchen has light counters with dark cabinets and chrome-colored appliances, which include a built-in microwave and dishwasher. Children sit at the bar and their father hands them cupcakes. Now the father leads the children out onto a patio. The father leads the children out to the swimming pool, and the mother brings a bin of drinks. The pool is surrounded by palm trees. There are deck chairs and yellow umbrellas. The family sit on the edge of the pool with their feet in the water. The father now helps a child down the steps into the pool. A woman plays with her dog in a fenced dog area. The mountains beyond the town. A woman runs on a sidewalk that encircles the complex. Now the mother and father walk a small white dog around the same sidewalk. They sit down in Adirondack chairs near a fire pit. A woman stands in the bathroom of an apartment and puts on makeup. The mother sits at a desk in a small room with a slate gray accent wall. The woman makes the bed in a bedroom with a light patterned accent wall. The mother does laundry in the apartment. A washer and dryer stand side by side in a closet laundry area. The father adjusts settings on the smart home screen. A community room with kitchen area, easy chairs, sofa, TV. The parents and the other woman toast and drink wine. Now they sit on the sofa and watch baseball. Now they sit outside next to the fire pit. A black car backs out of a garage and drives through the complex. The complex from the air. The three adults walk in a commercial area and laugh. They sit down in a restaurant and look at menus. They stand outside and toast with coffee cups. One woman takes a picture. The apartment complex from the air. Text, Serena Village by Bright Sky Residential. Equal housing opportunity.